Hi everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How are you guys going today? It is beautiful here today, 23 degrees and just perfectly sunny. I hope you're having a super day. Are you ready to sit down and read with us? Today we have a book called Ryan Goes Mountain Biking by Katie Dalton and Craig Friedman. Shall we get started? Ryan spends a lot of time on two wheels. She loves riding through her neighborhood. She loves riding to the park. She even loves riding down the hallway in her house. But what Ryan loves most of all is riding on trails. Ryan loves mountain biking. Ryan is so excited to go mountain biking this morning that she wears her helmet to breakfast. It takes a lot of energy to mountain bike, said Ryan. My body needs fuel. Crack, sizzle, stir. Ryan helps Mommy scramble eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Ryan spreads butter on a banana pancake and fills the bowl with sweet blueberries. She shares some blueberries with Charlie. After breakfast, Ryan and Daddy inspect the bikes. Uh-oh, your tire is flat, says Daddy. Ryan gets the pump. I'll add air. Ready to go? asks Mommy. Helmets, check. Shoes, check. Water, check. All ready, says Ryan. They park their car at the trailhead and Ryan chooses the route. I'm in the mood for hills. She leads the way. Ryan, Mommy, and Daddy cruise along a twisty path surrounded by tall trees. Those pine cones are gigantic, says Ryan. She rides through a puddle and mud splish-splashes onto her legs. Ryan loves that feeling. She hears leaves rustling, birds chirping, and the crunch, crunch, crunch of the earth beneath her tires. Ryan loves those sounds. At a fork in the trail, Ryan has a choice to make. Should she follow the easier path, or can she make it over those rocks? She's feeling brave. Bump, bump, bump. Up and over the rock she goes. She's almost made it until... Whoa! Ryan loses her balance and tumbles off her bike. Ouch! Her knee scrapes and stings a little. Mommy and Daddy sit with Ryan while she takes a few slow, deep breaths. In and out. In and out. I'm okay now, says Ryan. That happens sometimes. She brushes herself off and hops back on her bike. Ryan spots hikers ahead. Good morning, Ryan calls out. She scoots aside so the hikers can pass. Thank you, the hikers respond. Have a fun ride. Here comes the steep hill. Ryan pedals hard. Push, push, push. Her breathing gets faster. Her legs and lungs work to carry her up, up, up. Ryan is strong. She reaches the top and the view is spectacular. I love mountain biking. Gulp. She takes a drink of cold water. How refreshing. It's all downhill from here. Zoom. Ryan rides fast. The air is cool against her sweaty skin. I feel free. Back home, Ryan fills a bucket with suds. Bikes are clean. She tells Charlie about the adventure. Charlie wags her tail and gives Ryan's knee a big sloppy kiss. The ride may be over, but Ryan feels happy all day long. That is the magic of mountain biking. At bedtime, Mommy and Daddy tuck Ryan under the covers. She closes her eyes, but instead of darkness, Ryan sees the trail. She's climbing, she's coasting, she's weaving through the forest. I love mountain biking, Ryan whispers. And she drifts off into dreamland. That was Ryan Goes Mountain Biking. How about you? Do you enjoy mountain biking? Or maybe you just like biking? If you like this book and would like to own a copy, the links to purchase it are in the description below. Give us a like if you enjoyed this story, and subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell for more stories like this. Thank you so much for taking time out to read with us. We'll see you back here again soon. Till then, you take care of yourself and your family. Have fun reading. Bye-bye.